Welcome back to Miss Diaz and the channel with me, Miss Diaz. Yeah, thank you very much for you all who have already subscribed this channel and support me a lot on the comment box, and then yeah, send me DM at my Instagram here. You can follow also my Instagram asking maybe some problems related to writing. Maybe if you want to, if you are the foreign learner of English and then you want to improve your writing skill, maybe you can talk a lot with me. And then after some videos about writing, now we will talk about writing a title. Okay, this is a simple thing, but it is important. Okay, how to write a title. Okay, first you need to know what is a title. Okay, so that you will write a good title. First, a title tells readers what the topic of the paragraph is. Okay, so when you write a title, make sure that your title tells the reader about what is the topic of your paragraph. Okay, and then it is usually a word or phrase, but not really a sentence. Okay, if you ask me which one is better, a word, phrase, or sentence, okay, it's up to you. The most important thing is that your title tells the readers about the topic of your paragraph. Okay, if it's clear, if you have the word my dog, it's okay. But if you think that you can make it shorter, like you just write it dogs, that's okay also. If you want to make it longer, a sentence, my dog is cute, that's okay. Okay, you know the best for your paragraph. Okay, third, it should be brief, but not so brief that it doesn't tell the readers what to expect. Okay, so you ask me once again, so I can have a word, right, miss? So if I can I can write a word as my title, why should I think a lot to make a phrase or sentence to be my title? So let me make it brief. Write a word as my title. Okay, once again, if it's enough to write a word as your title, or if that word can tell the reader about the topic of your paragraph, so it's good. It is good. But if it's too brief, that's not good. Okay, you will kind of confuse your reader by having that too brief uh, title. Okay, so you know what should you do. Okay, in other words, a title will give a general description about the limitation of discussion or elaboration of the paragraph. Okay, make sure that your title give a general description. Okay, at first I saw your title, I know what uh, you are going to write in this paragraph. Okay, that's a good title. Okay, understand? Okay. Next, this is about mostly about formatting, how to write a title. Okay, because yeah, you still do kind of mistake. Write a title like a sentence, or sometimes yeah, you forget about the capital letter when you write the paragraph, or you put a period after a title. Okay, it means that you yeah, still yeah, do mistake when you write the title. Okay, please pay attention on these four things. Okay, the first, all major or important words, including the first word, are capitalized. Okay, you need to write your words, yeah, the important words in your title in capital letter, with capital letter. Okay, or capitalize your first uh, first letter in your importance or main words of your title. Okay. Second, short connecting words within a title, such as of, for, and, in, to, and etc. Yeah, or we can say that all preposition, yeah, are not capitalized. Okay, understand? Only the important words or the main words which is capitalized. Okay, but the connecting words are not capitalized. Third, the title is not underlined. Okay, I know that you want to make your title um, like to be noticed by the readers, but don't underline your title. Okay, maybe if you want to, just make it bold, not underline. Okay, four, the title is not enclosed in quotation works. In quotation marks. Okay, don't put your title, yeah, in the middle of quotation mark like this. Okay, nor it is ended with a period. Okay, don't end your title with a period. Okay, this is the example of how to write a good title. Okay, how, for example, this one, how to choose a good, use core, practice makes perfect, beauty and the beast. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is the example. Yeah, maybe that's all about how to write a good title. If you understand the definition of a title, you will write a good title, and you will write it in a good format too. Okay, so as an exercise, please write the title for this paragraph. Okay, please put your title on the comment below so that everyone can inspire and yeah, learn from others why you give this title, why don't this title, or maybe one of you maybe notice your friends still make mistakes of writing the title related to formatting. Maybe you can notice them and then comment back, and yeah, do like this as clear as that. Okay, I'm waiting for your comment for your title. Yeah, a minute after this. Okay, thank you very much. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.